The Smeg freestanding washer dryer has been designed as a complete laundry solution, combining the functionality of a washing machine with the practicality of a tumble dryer. By integrating two appliances into one, it offers an efficient, space-saving and very versatile choice for households. The Smeg freestanding washer dryer offers a generous 7 kg washing capacity and 4 kg drying capacity, ideal for everyday laundry while still capable of handling bulkier items such as duvets, towels and bedding. Its wide door opening makes loading and unloading effortless, reducing strain and helping to minimise creasing. Built for durability, it features a sturdy metal door hinge and a solid metal door catch, giving you confidence in its long-lasting performance through years of regular use. For peace of mind, the machine is also equipped with safety features, including child lock function, to prevent settings from being changed mid-cycle and advanced temperature and water control systems to protect both your laundry and your home. With its intuitive display and soft touch controls, the washer dryer offers easy access to 14 thoughtfully designed programs, tailored to a variety of fabric needs and washing needs. Popular options include cottons, eco, synthetics, quick wash, shirts and wool, all of which can be paired with the drying cycle for added convenience. For even greater flexibility, a selection of preset combined wash and dry programs ensures quick operation and effortless care. Like Smeg's dedicated washing machines, this model features the advanced AquaCare wash system. Using precision water jet technology, it gently sprays water and detergent directly into fabrics, enhancing cleaning performance whilst protecting fibres. The result is a deeper clean, reduced wear on garments and superior care for delicate items, all whilst being gentler on your laundry over time. When it comes to drying, the Smeg washer dryer is equally as versatile, offering dedicated programs for synthetics, cottons and mixed fabrics. Each cycle is sensor controlled for automatic drying with options for manual time drying, giving you complete flexibility to suit your laundry needs. Smeg's steam energy technology adds another level of care and hygiene. Steam gently works into the fibres, helping to lift stubborn stains and odours and reduces creasing and even neutralises allergens, making it an excellent choice for families. It also means less ironing once the cycle is finished. At the heart of the machine is an inverter motor, designed to run more efficiently and quietly than traditional systems. It reduces energy consumption, minimises wear on internal parts and extends the life of the appliance, all whilst keeping noise levels down. Safety is also prioritised with built-in overflow protection and carefully regulated heating controls to ensure safe operation throughout every wash and drying cycle. For extra convenience, the Smeg washer dryer also includes an anti-crease option, which helps keep laundry gently ventilated up to 8 hours after a cycle. This prevents creases from setting in and keeps clothes fresh until you're ready to unload. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.